Trick number one is lazy evaluation. And no, this isn't about your code being lazy. It's actually brilliant optimization. Here's what makes it special. In Pandas, every single operation runs immediately. You filter the data, it executes. You group by, it executes. You sort, another execution. 3 separate operations, 3 trips through your data. But Polars, it waits. It looks at your entire chain of operations and figures out the smartest, most efficient way to execute them all at once.
It's like planning your entire road trip before you start driving, instead of deciding turn by turn. Let me show you what this looks like in code. I'm creating a dataset with 5 million rows. User IDs, revenue, country, and sign-up dates. Pretty typical stuff. First, the Pandas approach. We filter for revenue over 150, group by country, sum the revenue, and sort descending. Standard operations. Now watch the timer. 8.3 seconds. Not terrible, but not great either.
Now, here's the Polars' lazy approach. The code looks almost identical. Filter, group by, aggregate, sort. But notice this at the beginning, LazyFrame instead of DataFrame. And at the very end, .collect. That's the magic word. Nothing executes until we call collect. Watch what happens. 0.2 seconds. Let me say that again. 1.2 seconds versus 8.3 seconds. That's almost 7 times faster.
We added LazyFrame at the start and .collect at the end. 2 words for a 7x speedup. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Polars looks at your entire query and realizes, hey, if I'm going to filter first, I don't need to load the entire dataset. And if I'm grouping by country right after, I can do that while I'm already iterating through the filtered data. It's called query optimization, and databases have been doing this for decades. Now you can do it with your Python data frames.